very heavy snow right now in Greencastle, Indiana. Snow is accumulating on the grassy areas, but not the roads. The roads are in decent shape. And I am out taking pictures of the snow. So pretty! The day before Christmas, man! Hey guys, yes, I still have my work uniform on. I just wanted to get my camera very quick because I want to document the storm. The reason why I'm keeping my eye, sorry about that, my camera cut out. The reason why I'm keeping one eye closed and one partially open is because I'm currently walking directly at the snow. Alright, pretty bad.